Hey, Karthik, my car's been acting up lately. The mileage is terrible, the pickup has dropped significantly, and there's so much black smoke coming out of the exhaust. It's embarrassing.
Oh, that sounds bad, Rajesh. These are classic signs of carbon buildup in your engine. When was the last time you got your car cleaned or serviced?
Had the regular service done a few months ago, but nothing specific for carbon cleaning. Do you think that could help?
Definitely. Carbon buildup in the engine can block airflow and affect performance. It's common for older cars or vehicles that haven't been serviced thoroughly. I had a similar problem last year and I got it sorted with a proper carbon cleaning service.
Really? Where did you go for that?
I went to Ozone Auto Care in Chennai. They specialize in carbon cleaning and did a fantastic job on my car. The mileage improved, pickup became smoother, and the black smoke issue was completely resolved.
That sounds exactly like what I need. Do you have their contact details?
Of course, you can call them at 8608 138 110. They're very professional and will explain everything to you. Trust me, your car will feel as good as new after their service. It will. Let me know how it goes.
Sure, will do. Thanks again.